Stock market tips you'll wish you knew sooner. It can be really overwhelming at first to start trading stocks. There are numerous things that need to be taken into account, and many people are fearful about losing all of their money. Using the information from this video can help you make the right choices for your investing style and situation. Create a plan that you can meet long-term when you are trying to maximize your investment profits. Big scores have their appeal, but you are better sticking to tried and true long-term investments. Hold your stocks for as long as necessary to make profits. Investing in the stock market does not require a degree in business or finance, outstanding intelligence, or even familiarity with investments. Being patient and sticking to a plan, making sure to remain flexible and conducting research, will serve you well when playing the stock market. Going against the grain often pays off. Before delving into the stock market, you should have a basic knowledge about stocks. Stocks, which are also called shares, are segments of a company which people may purchase. So when you own a company's stock, you actually own a piece of the company. When it comes to shares, there are two different types: common shares and preferred shares. In terms of investments, common shares are the riskiest. Don't let your emotions play a part in your investments. Remember that this is a business and you're in this to make money. You can't let yourself make bad decisions that are solely based on your emotions. Learn to separate your emotions from your decision making so that you can have a clear mind. Try to give short selling a shot. This means you need to loan some stock shares. The investor will borrow the shares under the agreement that they will later deliver the same amount of shares back. The investor then sells the shares where they can be repurchased when the stock price drops. Damaged stocks can work, but not damaged companies. A downturn in a stock can be a buying opportunity, but be certain that it's merely a temporary dip. A company that missed an important deadline due to a fixable error, such as a materials shortage, can experience a sudden, but temporary, drop in stock value as investors panic. On the other hand, a drop in stock value for a company that is being investigated for fraud is probably not temporary. By now, you should realize that it is possible to be successful with stock market investments. All you need is a bit of research and a level head, and you will go far. Apply these tips and you should be making money very soon. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.